Hi, my name is Elmira Yousufi. I'm a criminal defense attorney in San Diego at the Lofts of David Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I'm going to go over just a few differences between the juvenile court system and the adult court system. First, to be tried in the juvenile court system, you have to be a minor, meaning under the age of 18, or you must have been under the age of 18 when the alleged crime occurred. So for example, if you're 21, 22 years old, but you're being charged for a crime that you allegedly committed when you were 15, 16 years old, you're going to be tried in the juvenile court system despite the fact that you are no longer a minor. And it can go the opposite way as well. If you're a minor and you're at least 16 or 17 years old, you can be tried in adult court as an adult if the crime you are accused of committing is something serious like murder or rape. Now, one of the first differences that we're going to discuss between the juvenile court system and the adult court system is terminology. For instance, in juvenile court, the accused is not referred to as the defendant. They're referred to as the minor. In adult court, the accused is referred to as the defendant. When there is a conviction in the adult court system, it's called a conviction, and it's something that can be used against you in the future if you commit another crime. In the juvenile court system, they're not called convictions, they're called adjudications. And the reasoning for that is because it cannot be used against you later as an adult if you were to reoffend and commit another crime. And the reason for these differences in terminology is because the juvenile system is supposed to be seen as a more watered down version of the adult criminal system. It's supposed to be more rehabilitative in trying to help the minor, provide the minor with the necessary resources and lighter sentences so that the minor can be rehabilitated and not reoffend and go back into the system when they're an adult. It's not as accommodating in the adult court system. So moving on to the next difference, there is no bail system for juveniles. If you are arrested as a juvenile, you will be seen and heard at a detention hearing, and they will determine whether or not you will be released to your parents or guardian. Whereas in adult court, if you're arrested, you will be given the opportunity to bail out unless, extreme circumstances where no bail is offered. The next difference between the juvenile court system and the adult court system is public hearings. Now, in adult court system, the hearings and the trials, they're public. Anyone can go really into the courtroom, sit down and watch. In the juvenile court system, it is closed to the public. And this further illustrates, treating the juvenile system with more care because we want to protect the privacy of the minor so that this incident, doesn't continue to, stay with them for the rest of their lives and impact the future, their futures. Now, I hope this video has been helpful, and if you want to learn more about the differences between the juvenile court system and the adult court system, or you have a loved one that is being charged with a crime, make sure you call our office today at 619-295-3555. Thank you.